Hey, today I want to show you how to get your clients to confirm their appointments through text message. I think text message is a much easier way to get them to confirm than through email, but not all online booking platforms allow for automated text confirmations, especially on their free versions. I know Square doesn't. That's personally what I use, but I'm going to show you how you can use Square to do that. And if you're not using Square, I'm going to show you how you can do it super easily using the shortcuts on your phone to text. So let's start with how you can do it using the Square app if you have the free version.
On the Square Booking app, click the appointment that you want to confirm and then click on the arrow next to that client's name. And then click on the phone number and you can see send message, not send SMS, send message. So this is the messaging that you can use through Square. So you can kind of scroll back and see this client is myself. This is an example, but you can see that there has been messages back and forth. So here I can type in a confirmation message. So hi, Alex, and type out really whatever you want, but this is going to look like an automated message. So it's going to come from your phone number. It's going to come from an automated number. So you can make it sound very automated and professional. Make sure you include your client's name, that the appointment is with you or your studio name, the date and the time, and to ask them to confirm. Hit send, and then you'll see that I got the message because it's actually to me, and then I can just hit yes as a reply, and then it's confirmed on my back end. For future appointments, to make it even easier, you can head in and just copy and paste that message that you sent out, change the date, change the time, and then it's even quicker than last time. Extra quick tip, if it doesn't allow you to send this message, it says that you can only reply to a client's message. When your client comes in for the consult, just have them send a quick yes or hi back so that in the future you will be able to send out this confirmation.
And if you don't use Square, no worries. You can use this part of the video.
Create a text shortcut on your iPhone, head to your messages and hold down the emoji sign. Click keyboard settings and then click text replacement. Click the plus sign in the top right hand corner, and then here you will enter your shortcut, which I used confirm, and then you will type out the whole phrase that you want to show up when you're sending a confirmation message to your clients. Hit save and head back to your messages to try it out. Type in confirm and you'll see the phrase show up just below your message. Tap that and then add in your specifications, the day and time to confirm the appointment.
So I like to send these confirmations out at least 48 hours prior to a client's appointment. But for ease of my schedule, normally I will send my confirmations on Sunday for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then I send my Saturday appointment confirmation on Thursday. So I'm only doing it 2 days a week and it takes me less than 5 minutes. This obviously works for the way my schedule is booked out, the way I'm in the studio. But it helps you know that you are booked out for that week and that your clients are coming. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. I put out 2 videos a week. I will see you then.